Hello there, Tech fam. My name is Wycliffe from villatech.co, where it's all about tech, digital entrepreneurship, and innovation. So, if you clicked on this video, I'm guessing you're one of those people that's interested in making money online. And one of the things, or one of the challenges that many people, particularly in Kenya, are facing is how to get started making money online. The concept of making money online is so diverse and really difficult to grasp for newbies, especially because it's not quite um, something that most Kenyans are familiar with. Although, of course, there are people that are making money online, several people are doing it in a variety of ways. But first of all, before we get into why I created this video, let me just talk about what it actually means to make money online. So, there's really not much difference uh, starting an online business as an offline business. The only difference really is that you're using the internet as a platform. So the internet means you don't actually have to have uh, goods or services that are, physical products, let me say. So as a digital entrepreneur, there's various things that you could be doing. You could be blogging, you could be doing affiliate marketing, you could be selling digital downloads, plus a variety of other stuff. Essentially, making money online requires you to have a product or a service that you are exchanging in value to somebody else. All right. So it's that simple. It's not really a complicated concept if you think about it. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me go to why I created this video. And I wanted to talk about how you can start making money online without a lot of capital. Most people that are looking for ways to make money online feel that making money online is easy. And you could say that it's easy. It's actually not so hard, but you've got to put a lot of work into it. Now, it's easy in the essence that the internet actually gives you the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of people, or actually millions if you think about it, on a daily basis. Today, it's quite possible to reach out to start a business. For example, you could reach out to clients that were in the United States, in the UK, in Australia, in various other continents. This is something you couldn't do in the past. All right. So, like for instance, I have a sister who is an illustrator. She's a fashion illustrator, fashion and lifestyle illustrator, and she has had clients or people wanting to check out her work, people that come from Australia, others are from the UK, I believe, London, and various other places. Like the internet has made it possible for her to connect with many people. So that's one of the advantages we have with the internet. All right, so that was a detour. Back to how you could get started making money with little capital. Now, little to no capital. And what I wanted to teach or to let you guys know in this video is basically something called affiliate marketing. Of all the different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, I believe, is pretty much the easiest to start with little to no capital. The first advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to have your own products, goods, or services. You're pretty much selling or promoting somebody else's product, which means they've put in all the work to create the product. They've put in all the work to create the service. All you've got to do is sign up for their affiliate program and promote whatever it is that they're trying to sell and make money off of that. So essentially, affiliate marketing is where a company has a product or a service and they give you a link that's uh, unique to you, and you're supposed to use the link to promote their product or service online. And when somebody buys the product or service using your link, you get paid a commission. So there's people that pay 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% depending on what the product is. So the first advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't need your product, or rather, that's the second advantage. You don't need your own product or service. The first one was it's something that you could really start with a low budget. You don't even need to have a website to become an affiliate marketer. You could promote other people's products on different platforms. Social media has made it really easy. You could use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, plus a variety of other different places. However, if you do have a blog, and this is where most people actually prefer to promote affiliate products, is on their blog. So that's the next thing that I'd like to talk about. This is another advantage of affiliate marketing. It allows you to grow an audience and a mailing list. Now let's forget about the mailing list for a second and let's talk about growing the audience. Let's say that you have a company that you'd like to promote products for. Let's say you're in tech, for instance, and you're interested in websites and web design, for example. So, as an affiliate marketer in this industry, there's various different platforms that you could choose to promote, or different services that you could choose to promote. One of the things that you could choose to promote in this industry, for example, is hosting. Web hosting is where you need to have your website hosted on a server so that people can be able to access it. So if you host your website with a particular service, let's say HostGator or Bluehost or whichever website host that you use, most of these website hosts have affiliate marketing opportunities that you can take advantage of. So for instance, let's say you're teaching people how to create a website or how to start their own blogs, and this would be a perfect opportunity for you to grow an audience. And let's say if you had a following of a couple thousand people, or you don't even need to have a couple thousand people, let's just say a couple hundred people, you could really easily take advantage of the affiliate marketing program offered by these hosting platforms, and resell, or rather promote promote the service to your followers and make commissions off of it. So this is a really good way of, if you have a loyal audience that you have grown with and they trust your advice and the stuff that you tell them, it enables you to be able to promote products to people that are in your circle or people that are loyal to you. All right. So the next thing about affiliate marketing is that you basically get to make passive income off of this, and you are not going to be able to get rid of poverty. You will not get poverty off of your tail if you cannot make passive income. It's a given. You have to be able to create something, a product or service that allows you to make money while you sleep. Because if you have to work day in, day out for the money that you make, it pretty much means you're exchanging hours for cash, which is difficult to do. It's difficult to sustain. You'll be working for the rest of your life, basically, even with a pretty good job that pays you a lot. So if you're able to make passive income, it's passive income simply means that you're making money while you sleep. Like, it's not, you're not actively going to work to have to make that money. You don't have to sit at your computer to make that money. A good way of making passive income is, like, let's say for instance, you write an ebook about something, or you write a book. It doesn't even have to be an ebook. You write a book that's teaching people about something or sharing your experiences and selling this book. This is something you're going to have to do just once, all right? So when you've done this and you put it out in the market, people will continue to buy that book. Now, the key is you need to address a problem that many people are facing. And that's the sustainability of it comes from that element. Addressing a problem that many people are facing, or many people will continue to face, is a great way of starting something that will be able to make you passive income for a pretty good period or duration of time. It means that if people are facing that problem today, most likely they'll be facing the same problem tomorrow and the day after and years to come. That means, like, let's say, all right, there's three main niches that you could tackle. And these niches are health, wealth, and I'm forgetting the other one, health, wealth, and relationships. All right. So people are always going to be wanting to know, how do I make money? How do I get out of debt? How do I make passive income? people will want to know how they can become rich, how they can create value, or how they can create products that can make them money. It's a given. It's something that people need to sustain their lives. When it comes to health, you've probably seen online all types of products that people are trying to sell. Weight loss products. You've seen people trying to sell mental wellness products packaged in form of exercises that you could do, things like yoga, things like meditation, and all that other stuff. And when it comes to relationships, you just know there isn't a perfect one. People will always be having problems with their relationships, whether it's marital relationships or boyfriend and girlfriends. And people are making money teaching people how to do other things. Essentially, right now is the information era. All right. So people need to take advantage of the fact that you can actually get information and break that information down for people and package it, add value to it, and sell that information. But the key is you need to have value that you're sharing. All right. So basically, affiliate marketing will help you create passive income over and over and over again. There's various places that you can host your digital product. If you're okay, let's say if you're blogging, for instance, and you have a link, you're going to write one blog article, two, three, four, it doesn't matter. You could have just 30 articles or even 25 articles in your blog that make you thousands of dollars monthly. I've seen people do this. And the thing is, you're writing the article once, and people will always want to know exactly how to do whatever it is that you're trying to teach on your blog article. Now, there is something that I want to clear up. Most people confuse affiliate marketing and network marketing, and they're slightly close but a little bit different. Network marketing, or what most people call multi-level marketing, is close to affiliate marketing, but not quite. What happens in network marketing is you have to build a team. So a good example of network marketing companies or programs would be something like a GNLD or Forever Living Products or AIM Global. I'm pretty sure you've heard about those if you're in Kenya, especially AIM Global has been particularly a trivial thing that many people aren't quite sure about. Here's the deal. Most people think that multi-level marketing programs are scams, and that's a complete lie. I have a problem with people who dub something as a scam simply because they don't understand how it works or because it didn't work for them. Most people think that if I tell you this opportunity can make you a lot of money and you don't want to put in the work, that it's a scam. Most people act, most people's definition of a scam is something that doesn't work because I'm not willing to put in the work that it takes to make that money to begin with. Multi-level marketing isn't a scam. What it is people misrepresent the information, and sometimes what is required, okay, let me just go to the basics. Multi-level marketing requires you to create a team of people, right? So you start as the product. Let's say you're the person who's created the product, and you'll need to recruit people that can sell the products. They're usually called distributors of the product. And the person at the very top obviously makes the most money because the product belongs to them, but they're getting people below them to get other distributors to sell the products to other people, the product or service. So the bigger your team, the more money you'll be able to make because it's sort of like a referral type of thing. It's close to affiliate marketing, but it's not quite. And that's the main difference is you're building a team in a multi-level marketing program, but not necessarily. Not all multi-level marketing programs require you to have a team. Okay, so that's the main difference. Not everything is a scam. Like before you dub anything a scam or go out there calling things scams, it's good to research and take your time to actually find out what is the program about, what are they selling, and has anybody complained of losing their money doing that program. So there is a lot to benefit from affiliate marketing, and it does have several advantages. It's a really good business model to start. If you're in Kenya and you're considering starting an online business, I would suggest starting as an affiliate marketer. There are many programs that you could consider depending on what your interests are. It's wise to promote something that you are interested in and something that you've actually tried out yourself. That way, you don't have to worry about the element of whether you're promoting something that's legit or not. It's good to promote something that you would be willing to put your face on and something that you'd be willing to vouch for. So if you're interested in starting out as an affiliate marketer, you could let me know in the description box. No, sorry, in the comments below. And in the description box, I'm going to leave some links to some affiliate programs that you could check out. Also, I have a video that you need to watch, and I'm going to leave a card to that in the top right corner. Um, it's an opportunity that you can use to make money, as it's a referral program, and you don't need to start. You don't need to have any product or service of your own, and it's something that's really lucrative. So in the next video, I will be breaking down some more elements in digital entrepreneurship, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment in the description box with any suggestions of what you'd like to see in future. Also, be sure to subscribe so that and hit the bell icon so that you can get posted whenever we upload a new video on this channel. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found something of value. And just one more thing, it isn't impossible to start an online business in Kenya and succeed. My partner and I have been able to do it, and we need more people doing this. So if that's something you're looking forward to doing, just let us know in the comment section, and we can see how to get you started. All right, so thanks for watching.